Okay, today's adventure should be interesting. We are going to attack what's called the Mona Pole. It's a canyon that I've heard is actually pretty difficult. So me and my brother-in-law, Scatterdad, are going to attempt it with our Jeeps. So without further ado, let's get the Jeep started and head down there.
You guys ready for an adventure? We're gonna go on an adventure. See this? I got this. We're gonna let some air out of handbrake Jake's tires.
Okay, so I didn't realize that the manual focus was on my camera, so all that previous footage that I just did was absolute garbage. So basically all I said was we stopped at the gas station and each one of us, well, he already had his tires aired down, but I aired all my, he aired down all of my tires to 20 psi. So he's sitting at 20 psi too. We just disconnected the sway bar end links and got a little bit more gas, and so now we're headed up to Mona Pole, and I think we're just at the start of it. So here we go. Let's see how it goes. Well, this happened a little sooner than I was expecting, but it looks like we've already gotten a little bit warm here on the gauge. So we're just gonna hang out here for a second, let it cool down. I thought I was in 4 high, but I don't think I was, so we just put it in 4 low, letting it cool down a little bit, and then we'll continue on. So far, you saw before we had to stop because we're getting a little warm, but now we're in 4 low, first gear, very slow, but we're staying at a reasonable temperature. It's very, very rocky, very big, loose rocks, so we just gotta kind of take it slow. Starting to get warm again. Looks like we better stop. So that may be next upgrade for the Jeep is maybe a bigger intercooler, maybe a bigger radiator or something, because yeah, that sucks. I mean, it's probably like I don't know, 75, 80 degrees today, but this is kind of the wheeling that I plan to do going forward, because I mean, just look at these amazing views out here. Stuff is gorgeous. So that may be an upgrade that we do sooner than later, but yeah, so we'll let her cool down for a bit, and then I'll check back in later. We got old man Jenkins coming down the hill. Please don't fall. This is so crazy. This year has been very, very snowy. And these canyons have gotten tons of avalanches. This is the result of this one up on a pole.
Literally summer and we're still climbing avalanches.
This is so crazy. Look at the size of that tree right there. Avalanches are no joke. Wow. There's the other side of the road that we're not going to make it to. Are you?
Yeah.
idling down this hill basically. I haven't even really had to touch the brake. If anything, I do have to touch the gas just to, you know, speed myself up a little bit, but other than that, it's great. So we're back home. I am exhausted, but I had a fantastic day with my brother-in-law and my sister's family. We got the tires all aired back up and the sway bars reconnected. Made the drive home, and we're back home. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope this was entertaining for you. And I am falling in love with this little Jeep, and I'm glad it's allowing me to make more videos for you guys. So stay tuned to the next one, and I'll see you in the next video.